Well, there's definitely some snow in them. On top of them, should I say.
Departure 699, 6,700, 230. 699 departure to contact traffic. 2 to 3 o'clock, 2 miles east on a citation, 11 1000. Columbia City. Columbia City, 969. Line 556, descend to maintain 8,000. 8,000, Cal 556.
So I see the lake over there.
Delta Bravo, clear direct deck stand on the transition.
Yes. That's what I'm saying, south.
3 Whiskey Juliet, descend to maintain 9,000. Cal 556, clear visual from Gary 171. San Luis, speed 170 left. Visual 17 left, speed 170, keep 5. United 699, incline maintain flight level 230, traffic wind out factor, and no delays for 1,000 please. 230, that's 699. United 556, towers on 18.9. 18.9, Cal 5, get it. Thank you.
Or whatever you want.
Your 3 Whiskey Juliet, Roger. On Merlin, they're ahead of you, 12 to 1 o'clock in 7 miles at 8,000.
1,000.
Descend to maintain 8,000. Pursuit 324 to departure, record 110, no delays for 1,000. Climb maintain flight level 230.
Yeah, because
Delta Bravo, I see 1,000. Never approach out here. Turn right to the 090 to join the final. Clear visual approach runway 17 left. Whiskey Juliet, clear visual approach runway 17 left on 090. Unit 72 departure contact, climb you said?
Right, left signal.
Climb you said, yeah, 72. Airshare 324, escalating at 360. 3 Whiskey Juliet, 170 knots or less, towers on 18.9. 2K11, never approach ident to view this transmission.
We call them
2054, City Tower, runway 17 left, 5 away traffic.
out for 8 minutes. Actually, I think that's right. Oh,
They're off.
wait, stand.
Moon staff is off. The next one. Sorry. Check. I said check them off, but I just want to make sure that's all right. They're retracted. Go ahead. Easy 24. I see it. I'll turn it.
35 minutes.
Yeah, man, just on the button what I said. I'm trying to get some misses on.
They're running.
Good job. Man, it's really pushing on that rudder.
Clear on my side. It's windy out there.
That was fun.
I'm kind of glad you landed. Sounds like, man. Looked like you almost went full throttle a couple of times.
I did. There was a sink
Yeah.
in there. I was surprised that the windshield didn't hit it.
Yeah.